Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. So for today, we're gonna be reviewing this unit right here. It's by Sensationnel. So if you want more information about it, stay tuned.
It's a bad man thing, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah.
So the unit we're reviewing today is this one right here, and it's from Sensational. It is part of their Balayage series, and I have it in the style Butter Unit 36, and I have in the color Balayage Gold. And this unit was sent to me by Sensational, so thank you for sending me this unit. In the start card, it shows you the difference between a butter lace and a regular lace, and on the back there are all these different colors. So this unit will run you about $41, including the specialty color. Depends on where you get it from. And it has a pre-plucked hairline with baby hair, and it's ear to ear. The lace is ear to ear. It has a natural density, and it's 22 inches. Well, you see what's going on right there. It's 22 inches, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So the unit has a very silky texture. You can gladly like run your fingers through it. You might get little snags here and there, but the texture is very silky. I like it, as you can see. Yeah, very silky. So even though the unit came pre-plucked, I went ahead and I plucked it some more because I feel like that's just gonna give it that extra, you know what, it just makes it look nicer. Do you see the difference? And this is how much hair I plucked out. So you don't have to necessarily pluck the unit. Even when it comes to pre-pluck, you don't have to do that. I just wanted to do that for personal preference. So you do that according to what you want, what you like. But this unit is shedding. It was shedding a little bit. Even before I started plucking it, it was shedding and tangling just a tad bit, as you saw in the earlier clips. Just running my finger through it, you'll get little snags here and there, which is nothing. It's not a big deal. With synthetic units, that's expected, you know, and it's colored too, so it's been through a lot of process to get it to this. I'm like picking off hair off of me because it's shedding, and I'm sure me plucking it too had contributed to that, but like I said, it was shedding before I started plucking it. So I like her. I am here for it. The style, like the curls and everything, I love it. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. Yeah, I love her a lot. Let me know what you think about her in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Make sure you're following me on my other social medias, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.